Hey, what is up YouTubers? It is Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find super affiliate campaigns on native ads fast. So about 3 days ago I came out with a video on how I got to $60,000 running ClickBank offers on native ads for my traffic source. And here I am I think I came out with the video on the 12th. And so it's been 3 days and I'm still reporting good numbers. I'm at $740 today, which is April 15th. I'll do a couple refreshes for you. But anyways, I got a lot of positive feedback on that video. And at the end of that video, I asked if there's any questions, what do you guys want to see? And I saw a couple comments about how to spy on native ads, and I'm going to dive into that. And one thing I also want to address, I only got one comment on my last video saying that these results are fake. And I replied and I was like, how am I faking this? I refreshed the screen like 5 times. And they're like, well, you're doing the control inspect and then changing the numbers on here. And I was like, first of all, I don't know how to frickin' do that. And second of all, if I did do that, that's why people refresh, because then it would go back to normal. So he's saying like I'm freaking making all this stuff up, but I'm refreshing. So I'm not going to spend my time trying to prove to you guys that this is real. These are real results. This is my ClickBank account, and I'm super excited about this. So without further ado, let's get into what my favorite native ad spy tool is. Drum roll, please. It is AdPlexity. So AdPlexity is without a doubt the best spy tool I have ever used. In my opinion, I think it is better than AdSpy is for Facebook. AdPlexity for native, they do not miss out on anything. And AdPlexity is so good where you can launch a campaign on one of the traffic sources that they spy on. I think there's like 8 of them. So here, all of them: MGID, Outbrain, Rev Content, Taboola, AdsKeeper, Content.ad, Yahoo, Gemini, AdBlade, and AdNow. So let's say you go and launch a campaign on Outbrain. And then the next day you come into AdPlexity, you can type in your landing page and they will have every single ad that is active going through Outbrain. So it's kind of a blessing and a curse, because you know, like, they're showing everything, but at the same time, if you get a campaign crushing it and it's running for a really long time, you're also going to have a lot of affiliates coming and seeing that and then ripping your ad images and your landing pages. So it's kind of like a blessing and a curse at the same time. But that's when you know, like, this spy tool is legit, because you can have a campaign running for a day and you can see all your ads. So I'm going to talk about 2 main strategies, but before that I'm going to talk about what's been working for me. So I've been spending the first half hour of my day throughout the work week just logging into AdPlexity and just browsing around. And one thing I like to do is just go to the homepage like this, and then I'm not even sorting it by like newest or running longest, just coming down and seeing like what ads make me stop scrolling. Like this made me stop scrolling right now. And you can preview the images. Look at this. Like, that is just unique. That's going to get so many people to stop and look at the ad, and look at the ad text. Down to your last dollar, a debt consolidation loan may help. Like, that's going to get people to stop. The image is going to get people to stop scrolling, and then the headline's going to be getting the clicks. And then it's up to their landing page and their copywriting skills to get them to convert. But like, that is a great example. So I just keep on going down, and it's like, you just learn a lot about like what gets people to stop and how people are structuring their headlines and their landing pages. Then you can come over and do running longest, receive most traffic, etc. But it's a good habit that I'm getting into. And if you guys do want to hop on AdPlexity, I'd recommend doing that, because it's nice. I used to wake up and watch the news for like a half hour, an hour, and then get my day started. But now I sit on the couch, I have my coffee right when I wake up, and then I'm just doing this instead. So now let's get into the strategies. Like, what is my main way to find super affiliates using AdPlexity as my spy software? So my first method is to come over here, and I'm going to be choosing a country. So I'm going to click on United States for this example. Choose whatever country you want to run in. United States is very competitive, but you can make a lot of money in there. Don't sleep on going international for some of your campaigns, because there's a lot less competition internationally, and you can have dramatically lower cost per clicks and a really good revenue per click. So keep that in mind. And I'm not going to mess with language, so I'm just going to choose country and affiliate network. So I'm going to do United States and ClickBank for this example. Then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to do running longest. So 3 things. Country, affiliate network, running longest. So now let's go and see some of these. Drink 1 cup before bed. Watch your body fat melt like crazy. That's probably for like Okinawa or BioFit. So the 2 main ones, or the 2 big ones right here, is for lower back pain. So that's definitely something to consider. So that's working. Drink this before 10 a.m. Metformin will kill your legs. Ear ringing. More weight loss. Bladder leakage. So like, it's just so interesting to see the ones that are longest running, and you know that they're promoting ClickBank offers. So that's the first way. Like all these right here, these guys are making bank because they've been running the campaigns for over 30 days. And I don't know about you, but if you're spending a lot of money and your campaign's not profitable, you're gonna pause that really fast. So the fact that they have it running for 30 plus days means that they're spending a crap ton and they're making really good ROIs. Now, the second strategy that I use for finding super affiliates fast is probably my favorite and the actual fastest. So let's say I wanted to promote Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I would just go to ClickBank, find the offer in the marketplace, click preview, and then I'd be brought to this page. So I'd take the URL myokinawatonic.com, I'd come and copy that, and then I'd come over to advertiser, and then for the LP outgoing URLs, I'm going to enter in Okinawa Tonic, and then I'm going to search. And guys, this is like my secret sauce for finding super affiliates fast, so I hope you're enjoying this. Side note, if you're getting any value, please drop a like on this video. It'll really help out my channel. Okay, so everything loaded. So in the LP outgoing URLs, we got my Okinawa Tonic. Now let's go running longest. So right here we got, let's check this one. These 2 vegetables will melt your belly fat overnight. Then you can click into these ads and it'll open in a new tab. I'm gonna blur out this affiliate's landing page just because I don't want everyone to be going to their website and ripping everything. I'd feel super bad if this is one of your guys' websites watching right now. So I'm gonna do that out of respect. So I'm gonna click on this landing page URL. And then you can preview their landing page. So this is their landing page. This is how older women lose weight, never diet again. And then he's got a couple paragraphs. And then he's got a call to action button. And then if you recall, this is actually really cool. A couple months ago, I made a video about a landing page strategy that increased my click-through rate. So I'd have my button, a call to action button, like watch video, etc. Click here to learn more. And then I'd have text underneath it with a hyperlink, and that increased my click-through rate dramatically. And this person, who's probably the #1 affiliate running native for Okinawa, is doing the same strategy. So they got this, they got an option to watch now, or you can come down here and click this hyperlink text. So very cool stuff. That just goes to show like having 2 call to actions is better than 1. Okay, so those are the 2 main ways that I go about finding super affiliates super fast using AdPlexity. And to wrap up this video, I know I'm probably gonna get the question like, Cody, how much is AdPlexity? Is it worth it? Etc, etc. Well, AdPlexity is a little bit on the expensive side. So it is $249 per month. Unless you do the annual, you can get 17% off, which equates to 2 months free. Or you can come click the link in the description below, because that is my unique referral link. I am a partner with AdPlexity. I only promote tools that I believe in strongly to my YouTube audience. So I do believe in AdPlexity a lot. So I'm partnered with them, and I got a pretty good exclusive lifetime discount, 30%, AdPlexity plus Cody knows. So instead of that $249, you will only be charged $169 per month per user. So the link to get to this place is it's up here, but it's kind of long. So I'll just have it in the description below. If you guys want to sign up using my personal referral link, full transparency, this is my referral link, but it's a pretty good discount. So that is it for this video. Just to add a little cherry on top, I tried doing this last video, but I didn't get a live sale when I was recording, but this would be super cool. So 740, one more refresh. Yes! 936 or 934.64. So I finally got a live sale. Boom! Awesome. That usually never happens. Oh, what are the odds? Okay, that's exciting. That deserves a like on this video. I just did a live sale while recording this and showing you guys how to find native super affiliates. So anyways, that is it for this video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.